I've done with part one of Infinix Hot 30i. So this is part two. Welcome to part two. We'll continue removing all the dirt, debris, everything. When you're doing that, you have to be careful in order not to break anything. You're supposed to do this when you have not fixed the screen. But as an expert, I can do it without damaging the screen. And I'm also showing you many methods, many ways you can do your own work. That's what I'm saying here. So let's apply gum. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm taking risk because I'm supposed to remove this screen before doing this. But I'm showing you different methods you can use. So if you're not experts, please don't do this. Otherwise, you might damage the screen. gum the sensor parts. Make sure you don't close the sensor part of the screen. Continue show. If you pay attention and watch all these videos before I start asking questions, you're going to learn it. That's how we learn. You can see there's knot here, so I have to remove that knot before I fix the battery. A battery gum comes some nuts. If I watch this video several times, watch all the video, you must learn it. Most of the work I do, I learned it online. That's how I learned it, through video. Our phone has powered, since we have tested the screen and every other thing, so we can couple the phone. The correct time we can use for opening and closing phone is disassemble and assemble. When you disassemble phone, you have lost it or open it completely, pass by pass. And when you assemble phone, you have fixed everything back. That's the term being used for it. Disassemble and assemble. The back of this phone also requires gum. So when you tie it finish, you must apply gum before you can cover that back. This particular part doesn't need that much explanation, so I don't need to explain much here because you know how to tight or loose your knot. Now what I'm doing, I'm tightening back the knot of the phones. Tightening back the knot of the phone. I'm trying to break this grammar down so that everyone can understand. Along the line, I'm making mistakes. So let me fasten the knots. This is where you now apply the gum. Because if you don't apply the gum here, that back will not fit in very well. If it doesn't gum, it might fall out or even get more damage. So you have to apply gum here also. The same way you apply on the screen. But here you don't take some measures and precaution you take when you're applying on that part of the screen. So you can now cover the phone back. You can see it. Then you press it gently by the edges. Remember, it's a new screen, not to break the screen. Press it gently by the edges and then put your rubber band. You can see it. You can use machine to do this, but since we don't have the machine, let's believe we don't have the machine, we use rubber band. If not, you can use machine and do this. And once you are done that, you are good to go. Keep the phone for like 10 to 20 minutes and remove the rubber band, or tell the owner to remove it within 10 to 20 minutes. Then clean the edges of the phone so that your work will be neat. So that is it. We continue with other ones.